we have? Well, let's take a look at this. We said temporal, right? Temporalis. My friend Alice had a temper, so we called her Temporalis. And then what was over here that's missing? The masseter. So we call it the massacre muscle. It's the masseter. It helps to mastication or chewing of food. This guy looks like he could be touching the nose. Oh, what would you name him? This was temporalis. This was frontalis, right? So this might be nasalis. So this is actually one of the nasalis. Has a longer name than that, but it's pretty much nasalis. And then this one, it orbits around the mouth, so we just call it Orbicularis Oris. Ooh, baka! 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 So this is the buccinator, right? Baka! And then this one's a little mental, so we call him mentalis. This guy, doesn't he look like he sits at the angle of the mouth? So he depresses, so he's called, oh, I'm sorry, this is not nasalis. Nasalis is, it is missing. They don't have it on here. This one is another name. We're going to name it. So we'll name this one and we'll name that one. This one is at the angle and he pulls downward. So he's called Depressor, Anguli, Oris, because he's by the mouth. And this one is elevating the lip. So he's actually levator labii superioris. And they don't have it labeled, but we'll get to that. What is this big one that goes from the sternum and the clavicle up to the mastoid? Sternocleidomastoid. Very good. And then these big muscles in the back. Oh, they did have it labeled. So these guys are the scalenes. There's one in the front, one in the middle, one in the back. They are associated with breathing. If you have breathing problems, a lot of times they become really, really tense and tight.